Hello guys, welcome back to Satoshi Fibs. I am Mr. Legend. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin Relative Strength Index, Bitcoin RSI on the weekly time frame. This is the Bitcoin US dollar price chart from 2011 till 2022. So we have 11 years worth of price history to look at what Bitcoin has done in the past. Bitcoin has gone through different bear market cycles and bull markets. Right now we're in the bear market for Bitcoin. Where will the bottom come in? Bitcoin has been dumping from its all-time high of $69,000. Bitcoin is currently trading for $19,658, just around the 2017-2018 all-time high. How low will Bitcoin go in the bear market? Guys, looking at the Bitcoin RSI, the RSI is a very, very important indicator. We realize that in the past, when the Bitcoin RSI gets to the oversold region, that's usually when the bottom is in. When Bitcoin's RSI goes to the overbought region, that's actually where you should be selling your Bitcoin, because maybe, just probably maybe, the top is probably in. Guys, we have noticed in the past that anytime Bitcoin's RSI gets to this oversold region around this 26 mark on the Bitcoin RSI on the weekly time frame, it means the bottom is almost in, or the bottom is in already. And anytime Bitcoin gets above the 70 region on the RSI, it means Bitcoin is overbought. You want to be careful with Bitcoin right there. It means a dump is coming. And let's look at Bitcoin from 2011. The first Bitcoin bear market happened in 2011. Bitcoin RSI didn't reach oversold region in 2011. Bitcoin found its bottom around $2 from as high as $20. That was a huge jump, and then Bitcoin went on a massive bull run. From $2, Bitcoin went to as high as $1,200. Then we had another bear market bottom in 2015. Guys, what happened in 2015? If you notice again, the RSI came to the oversold region. It means too many people are selling Bitcoin, fewer people are buying Bitcoin. Now, the first Bitcoin bear market, it didn't get to this 29 level on the RSI, but we can see that the second bear market in 2015 got to this 29 level on the RSI. That means Bitcoin was oversold. Now look at the first Bitcoin top that happened in 2013 and in 2014. You can see that Bitcoin's RSI went to this overbought region. We actually went above 70. Anytime Bitcoin RSI goes above 70, that's a warning signal for you to actually be careful with Bitcoin. Now we had another bull run again. Bitcoin went on another crazy bull run from that low that Bitcoin had in 2015. Bitcoin was as low as $200. Bitcoin went to as high as $20,000 in 2017, entering 2018. After that, we went on another bear market run, guys. Well, guess what happened? Bitcoin dumped from the all-time high, and Bitcoin RSI came back to that 30 region. And we've seen in the previous bear market, that was where the bottom of Bitcoin came in. And the previous bear market, how far the Bitcoin jumped from the all-time high in 2013. And 2013 to 2015, Bitcoin dropped 87% from its all-time high. That's where Bitcoin found its bottom after dropping 87%. In 2017, 2018, how many percent did Bitcoin drop from the all-time high before we found the Bitcoin bottom in the 2018 bear market? Bitcoin dropped another 84% from the all-time high. So back-to-back bear market, and Bitcoin has dropped 80-something% from the all-time high. The Bitcoin RSI has showed us that Bitcoin is oversold, and that was the bottom. Right now in 2022, guys, Bitcoin from its all-time high of 69,000, and Bitcoin is down more than 70%. Bitcoin is down around 72%. 83% down from the all-time high for Bitcoin will carry Bitcoin around 11,000, maybe $10,000. Will Bitcoin get that low? History has showed us that anytime Bitcoin's RSI is getting to this oversold region, that's where the bottom of the market in. Right now, Bitcoin RSI is currently in oversold region. Yes, we might spend 1 or 2 months in this oversold region, but guys, over time, in hindsight, we'll actually realize that the bottom was actually in. But when the bottom is in, nobody wants to buy. People are scared. Everybody's shouting it's going to go lower. And if you notice the 2018 bottom, Bitcoin didn't just bottom and V-shape out of it. A lot of people are still remembering the COVID sell-off bottom, where Bitcoin just came to as low as 3,500 and we shot up to new all-time highs. I don't think that will happen again. I think Bitcoin will have a traditional bear market bottom like with Bitcoin usually have. And you can see that the previous bear market, Bitcoin took like 3 months to actually consolidate. Bitcoin took 140 days, and Bitcoin was just trending in this 20% range. Before Bitcoin left that region, Bitcoin left there around April 2019, and the bottom of Bitcoin actually came in December 2018. So right now, the bottom can actually be in, and we might not leave this region till probably September or maybe October. Only time will tell. But history has shown that anytime the RSI on the weekly time frame gets to this region, this is actually a good buying opportunity. It has happened 3 other times. It happened in 2011. Bitcoin got in the oversold region. The bottom was in. It happened in 2015. Bitcoin got to the oversold region. The bottom was in. But guys, if you notice something, in 2015, the bottom didn't just come in and we didn't just V-shape out of it. It was a period of consolidation here. It took some few months. In 2015, Bitcoin took over 231 days to consolidate before Bitcoin actually broke out of that range. And since 2018, it took over 140 days. So right now, the bottom can be in, but we might still actually just be ranging around 20,000 to probably as low as maybe 10,000, maybe 13,000. Only time will tell. Nobody can actually predict the exact bottom that Bitcoin will come in. But guys, this RSI is a very, very powerful indicator, and you can actually use the RSI to actually have predicted the top. You can see that according to the RSI, Bitcoins was oversold when we got to the January 2021. That was the height of the Bitcoin bull run. And if you check some on-chain metrics, this was where a lot of whales were actually selling their coins. Since then, you can see that Bitcoin has been bearish on the weekly RSI. Bitcoin has actually just been dumping. Even when we set a new all-time high, the RSI did not reach that oversold region. So this was where a lot of people got faked out. A lot of people are still expecting 100k. Maybe we'll continue pumping, but it was bearish already. And you can see that after that, we have been dumping. Only time we tell whether the bottom is in right now. I don't think the bottom is in. We have talked about the bottom being in our previous video. You can go and check other videos talking about the bottom being in. I have some other videos on the channel. We talked about finding the bottom using Fibonacci sequence right here. Talked about finding the bottom using moving averages, even using the Bitcoin market cap chart. But guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you think the Bitcoin bottom will come in? Right now, it looks as if we're almost at the bottom. A lot of news are still negative. People are talking about how Bitcoin might go to 10k, 14k. I don't think we'll get that low. I think we'll do what we have done in the previous bear market. If we drop around 83% from the all-time high, we might see Bitcoin bottom coming in there. But 83% from the all-time high will carry us to around that $10,000 to $12,000 region. Do you think Bitcoin will get that low? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.